Okay, Phil, tell me about today, what happened today.
What happened today was on Friday afternoon and Monday of this week, several subpoenas were issued to the elected district attorney, the elected county attorney, and several members of their senior staffs to report for a hearing this morning on a child porn case in the 9th District Court. We attempted to quash those subpoenas, which we believe was the appropriate motion based on the fact that none of these parties have any personal knowledge of this particular child porn case. And the judge, upon overruling our motion to quash, was about to allow the defense attorney, Gilbert Garcia, who's the former political opponent of Brett Ligon, to call Brett Ligon to the stand on a matter he has no personal knowledge of. Based on those events and based on a long history of other incidences in the 9th District Court, we felt at that time that we had no other choice but to file a motion to recuse Judge Case in this matter, based on the fact that given his ruling in this particular case and given his willingness to allow the elected district attorney to be called to testify, we felt that he has demonstrated at this point a bias against the district attorney's office to such a point that we can't get a fair hearing on this matter in his court. This morning he ordered Brett Ligon to not have any contact with his staff regarding this case. He ordered the county attorney to not have any contact with his staff in this particular case, which we felt was a clear violation of their constitutional authority to act in their official capacity. So, based on all these things, we filed the motion to recuse. At this point, it'll go to Judge Underwood's office to set a hearing on the matter, and we'll present evidence at that time, and the judge presiding over that recusal hearing will make their decision on whether or not Judge Case can continue to sit as the acting judge on this child pornography case.
What about once Brett and yourself and JD were brought into the courtroom as far as being put under the rule, just basically being sworn in again, being basically kicked out of the courtroom?
Well, I don't really want to comment on that. All I can say is that yes, it's an extremely unusual circumstance that the sitting elected district attorney and county attorney and their senior staff would be ordered not to participate in a criminal matter in the criminal courts in the county upon which they're elected to serve the people of Montgomery County. We felt like at that point, we didn't have any choice but to file the motion to recuse.